So hello friend, I am Signisar and today I am going to discussing a new topics with related to the international information because we all should know all about the information related to the world because information is one of the things which can help you to create such a great connection with the world. So I am starting a new topics today and my today's topics is related to the relation between the United States of America and Russia and the defense system of the Russia. So recently a news came that the Russia discovered such a powerful weapon which can create a nuclear or the radioactive tsunami. So here in 5th April 2021, CNN News reported that was the Russian super weapon that reportedly poses the biggest therapy to the US military, and also reported that as of writing, the weapon is undergoing rapid development under Russian President Vladimir Putin. So now I can trying to discussing this topic easily, and so discussing this easily topics I noted the some important points related to these topics, and now I am trying to discussing the whole point line by line. So I am telling you that the Russia discovered such a powerful weapon, and the name of the weapon is the Positron 2M39, and the main component of this weapon is known as the torpedo, and this torpedo can occur the nuclear or the radioactive tsunami. So here the first point told that the new Russian weapon would flood us coastal cities with nuclear tsunami. So here I am using a new term, that is a nuclear or radioactive tsunami. So friend, we all know that the meaning of tsunami, and we all heard and see the effect of the tsunami. When tsunami occurs in any ocean, then the coastal region of this related to this ocean are badly affected or destroyed completely, and it also affect of the GDP or the economical stability of this country. And now Russia is going something like that against the USA to use that type of weapon because Russia relation between the Russia and America is not so good. So Russia wanted to destroy the coastal area of the America and try to disbalance the economical progress of the USA. But friends, it is not only the problem of USA, because if the only tsunami occurs, then it is only the problem of the USA. But here the tsunami is interconnected with the radioactivity. So when the radioactivity connects with the tsunami, so this problem is the whole world problem. It is not only the USA problem. So now these parts I am discussing here. So beside, and here the coastal cities related to the USA coastal city, because USA, Russia try to destroy the coastal area of USA. And beside this, also a news came that the satellite image show huge Russian military building in Arctic region, and this is also a controversial news. Why? Because some days ago a news came that America secretly goes to Norway for that military exercise, and to take revenge on America, Russia also went to the Arctic region for their military exercise. Yes friend, this is very critical situation for America and Russia, and also a critical situation for the whole world, because that types of reaction or that types of war can create third world war quickly. So this is a very bad war which is occurs in the all over the world. And so this is the whole funda of these topics. And now so the relation, if the relation of the Russia and the USA is not so good, so Russia want to do something because against the USA, for which America is terrified. So it is a matter of great so it is a matter of great concern. So it is a matter of great concern. But friend, it is not only a great concern, but also it is a very dangerous matter, because if the nuclear tsunami is occurs, then the whole world will be disbalanced. And if so it is not only the internal matter of the USA, it also the matter of the whole world. So now I am trying to discussing this by an image. So friends, suppose this is world map. and this is in Russia, and this is in USA. The upper part of USA is Canada, and here Brazil present, and in between Russia and USA present Pacific Ocean. And if Russia send to this weapon Poseidon 2M39 to the mid part of the Pacific Ocean and release the torpedo, then this torpedo can occur this nuclear tsunami, and this nuclear tsunami destroy the coastal region of the USA and also disbalance the GDP or the economical balance of the USA. But this is only the case of the USA, but the world affected by this the radioactivity, because we all know that in the ocean many types of plant, animal, microbes or many others organisms are present, and if the radioactive are affect radioactive act on these types of organism, then it can be also very badly affected. And we all know that the whole aquatic organism with related to the living and the non-living is known as the aquatic ecosystem. So if the one part of the ecosystem is disbalanced by this process, then we know the whole ecosystem will be disbalanced. And we also know that every organism, every plant, microbes, animals, and also the many natural phenomena like environmental phenomena, light, soil, air are interconnected with each other. So if the whole ecosystem will disturb, then the life on present on the earth can be disturbed, and it can reduce the life on earth. So friends, this is not only the problem of USA, this is a whole problem, this is a problem of the whole world. So it will be the grateful good of all if the USA and Russia come to an agreement between themselves. So friends, stay until today and see you tomorrow, see you the next video. Stay here, stay blessed and stay good night. And if my video contains information, so please share it, because sending the knowledge, you can increase your knowledge. Thank you.